Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to another live tutorial. I'm going to share another fun Halloween treat project with you today using the Cutest Halloween bundle, which we have the stamp set and a punch. I'm also going to be using a couple items from the Frightful Tags dies. This goes along with the stamp set. It's a bundle in the mini catalog. But to be honest, you don't even need the stamp set if you don't want. Just the dies are awesome by themselves. There's four different tags or labels. We have a tree, stars, a little fence post, a hat, an owl, and of course my favorite, the spider web. So we're using the spider web and then this fun little tag die right here today. All right, so the treat I wanted to do, I found these at Sam's Club. I've seen something similar at Target as well. They're pretzel sticks. This one, my ghost suffered a little bit of a trauma today when I dropped them by accident. So, but that's okay. We're gonna try to cover up the middle part of them. So anyway, these came several in a box, 3 designs. So I'm gonna take one of each design and we're gonna do just a cute little wrapper to put around them. Now, you could tape these together if you want. I'm gonna try not taping and see what happens. So I have a piece of basic black cardstock. I'm gonna take my bone folder and just kind of give it a little bit of a curl. Because I'm gonna wrap this around in the back. And put them together pretty tight. I want it kind of flat. But I don't want them like sliding out. So I'm going to put them snug together. We need a little bit of tear and tape. Let me grab that real quick. I knew I was forgetting something. And I'm just going to wrap it around on itself. I'll get that off. I want it snug enough that they're not going to fall out. Okay, I'll give that a try. Maybe a little snugger. I feel like that's going to fall out. So I'm very carefully going to peel that back. If it tears a little bit, it's okay because I'm going to pull it even tighter. All right, we don't want them falling out at all. Okay. That will work. All right, let's adjust. Try to cover up the worst of my ghosty cracks. Okay. All right, now I have a piece of the black and white stripe paper. We don't have to use tear and tape. I'm just gonna glue this right to my black. I like having a little pattern on the front here. And then we'll just, wrap around in the back. So I'm leaving just a little bit of a border on the top and the bottom of the black cardstock. Okay. Next, I've already cut out a little black glittery spider web. I love this spider web. This is I just bought the dies just for this mostly. The spider web and the tree. I love the tree. Okay, we don't have to put glue on every bit, but I'm putting it on most of my outward, what do you call those? Spirals, lines, whatever. I'm just gonna glue this right to the center. Okay. All right. Now, we're going to do a skeleton on this one. So I'm going to take just a piece of basic white cardstock. We're going to do a skeleton outline. I'm not going to color him in. Skeletons are mostly white, so I'm just going to leave him, and we're going to give him this big smiley skeleton face. There are lots of faces in this little stamp set, but I like this one. It looks the most skeleton-ish. Now, our punch does not have a skeleton. It has a ghost, a pumpkin, and a cat. I think they figured that would be the three most widely used. So we do have to cut out our skeleton, but it's small. Doesn't have any crazy, crazy little bits you have to cut around, so it goes pretty quick. I don't mind cutting out something easy like that. Okay, let's pop him up on here. All right, we're just gonna pop him up kind of to the left of center. And then we're gonna do our tag. If I can pick it up here. I did this out of Pear Pizzazz. I tried to pick a color that would go with my green on here. And Pear Pizzazz was the color that matched. We're gonna stamp Treat Yourself right here. And this just fits in on that tag. I wish it said treat yourself, but it doesn't. It says treat yourself. So that's what we're gonna go with. We're gonna bring in a little bit of our plaid ribbon. And we're just using I'm not doing a big bow. I'm just gonna do a little knot right on the top of the tag. So we'll bring this bottom up and around and just do a half knot. But I want it right on the top. So it kind of covers the little point. And that's all we're gonna do. I'm gonna trim a little bit. Whoop. Cut all the way through there. And just adding that little bit right there. I'm gonna try a glue dot. You could probably put a dimensional right there too, but I'm gonna try a glue dot and we'll see how this goes on the glitter. Nestle it right next to our super cute skeleton. Let's get all this mess out of here. And that's it. I mean, how cute and simple. If we didn't have our poor broken ghost, we would be all set. We need to twist him a little bit, get his eyeballs in the front. And that's it. Super cute. So if you check the description below on my blog, I will have a list of supplies and measurements. And make sure to check the October video so you can see how you can win projects all month long. We have 31 prizes to give away with all kinds of great pre-made items and stamp sets. So thanks so much. Make sure to click subscribe and I will see you Monday. Bye-bye.